Today, I'm going to teach you how to create Amazon affiliate links. This is a powerful way to earn commissions by sharing products you love with your audience. Let's jump right in and get you set up. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. Now, here's something crucial you need to know before we continue. To create and use Amazon affiliate links, you must have an Amazon affiliate account. Without it, you won't be able to generate these special links. So if you haven't set up an affiliate account yet, make sure to do that first through Amazon's Associates program. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll find the products you want to promote. Click on the search bar and type in the product you're looking for, then press enter. This will pull up a list of related items that match your search. From the search results, browse through and click on the product you'd like to create an affiliate link for. This could be anything that fits your niche or that you think your audience would be interested in. The key is choosing something relevant to your content. After clicking on your chosen product, you'll be taken to its product page. Now look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Get Link. Click on that. This is the special feature available only to Amazon affiliate account holders, and it's what generates your unique tracking link. Once you click Get Link, a unique URL will be created for you. This link contains your affiliate ID, which is how Amazon tracks any purchases made through your referral. Go ahead and copy this URL. Make sure you've copied the entire link to ensure proper tracking. Now that you have your affiliate link copied, you're ready to share it. Paste this link into your website, blog, or social media post wherever you plan to promote the product. When someone clicks on this link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission on that sale. And there you have it. You've successfully created an Amazon affiliate link that you can use to start earning commissions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.